What if your road trip came with crystal chandeliers, rooftop lounges, spa bathrooms, and even room for a supercar or a helicopter? These aren't RVs. These are multi-million-dollar mansions on wheels, built for billionaires and global superstars who don't just travel, they arrive. Luxury motorhomes aren't just vehicles. They're statements of power, freedom, and extreme wealth. Today, we're counting down 9 of the most luxurious motorhomes on the planet. Machines so extravagant they blur the line between transportation and private jet living. And trust me, by the end of this list, normal RVs will never look the same again. 9. Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus, the original land yacht. Let's start with a true icon. The Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus helped invent the term, the idea of the land yacht. When it debuted in 2006 with a $2.5 million price tag, it instantly became the most expensive motorhome in the world. Built on a Prevost chassis, this 15-ton masterpiece was designed for just 2 occupants, prioritizing space and craftsmanship over capacity. Inside, you'll find Swarovski, crystal chandeliers, rare Inca marble, pearlized Italian leather, onyx shower walls, and precious woods more commonly seen on mega yachts. Even the sinks are one-of-a-kind glass artworks created by renowned artists. This isn't just luxury. It's a museum of wealth that just happens to move. And yes, it even had room for a sports car. 8. Newmar King Aire, $1 million comfort meets cutting-edge safety. Next up is the Newmar King Aire, a luxury coach that blends elegance with cutting-edge safety technology. Priced around $1 million, the King Aire offers a massive lounge, gourmet kitchen, dining area, guest half bath, and a spa-level bathroom featuring a 50 by 34-inch shower with massage sprays and foot wash. Entertainment includes a 49-inch Sony 4K TV, Blu-ray player, and a Bose home theater system. But what truly elevates the experience is the advanced driving tech. Lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, and electronic stability systems. This is luxury designed for people who want indulgence without compromising peace of mind. 7. Vario Signature 1200. The motorhome with a supercar garage. If your biggest travel concern is where to park your Porsche, the Vario Signature 1200 was built for you. Created by German manufacturer Vario Mobile, this powerhouse features a 523 horsepower turbocharged engine and a hydraulic rear ramp capable of storing a Mini Cooper or even a Porsche 911 inside the motorhome itself. Inside the insulated fiberglass cabin, you'll find a touchscreen-controlled induction cooktop, dishwasher, mineral stone bathroom sink, a 190-liter refrigerator, LED TV with satellite, and a Bose audio system. It's not just transportation, it's a complete luxury ecosystem designed for elite travelers. 6. Entegra Coach Cornerstone, the gold standard of luxury RVs. When it comes to modern luxury motorhomes, few names carry more weight than the Entegra Coach Cornerstone. Powered by a 600-horsepower Cummins engine, this RV delivers effortless performance wrapped in premium craftsmanship. Inside, you're greeted by hand-laid porcelain tile floors, rich leather furniture, and perfectly balanced ambient lighting. The driver and co-pilot seats are heated, cooled, and massaging, while the living area features multiple large TVs, an electric fireplace, and a full bar with a beverage chiller, perfect for entertaining on the road. The residential-style kitchen includes an induction cooktop, dishwasher, microwave, and a large refrigerator with ice maker. And in the bedroom, a king-size Sleep Number bed delivers hotel-level comfort every night. This isn't just an RV, it's a rolling luxury estate. 5. Leonardo DiCaprio's custom trailer, luxury fit for a king. When filming blockbusters, Leonardo DiCaprio doesn't settle for standard trailers. His $1.5 million custom motorhome, built by King Kong Production Vehicles, stretches 53 feet long and features 4 slide-outs that nearly double the interior space. Used during the filming of Inception, it was designed for total privacy and indulgence. Inside are heated marble floors, 2 fireplaces, lacquered wood finishes with gold accents, and a professional-grade marble kitchen. There are 7 TVs, including one mounted on the bathroom door. The standout feature is the $50,000 shower made from recycled artisan glass. With 1.5 baths and luxury finishes throughout, this trailer rivals high-end penthouses. At $1.5 million, or $6,000 per week to rent, it's fit for someone who truly believes they're king of the world. 4. Foretravel Motor Coach Presidential Series FS 605. A 5-star hotel on wheels. At number 4, we have a motorhome that feels less like an RV and more like a private luxury resort. The Foretravel Presidential Series FS 605 is 45 feet long and features custom laminate cabinetry, quartz countertops, premium leather sofas, and motorized dining tables that glide effortlessly into place. It includes 1.5 bathrooms, a king-size master bedroom, and a spa-style bathroom with an optional jet-powered bathtub. The living area features 3 4K TVs, built-in Wi-Fi, Blu-ray playback, and a full 5.1 surround sound system. Underneath it all is a 600-plus horsepower Cummins X15 engine, adjustable air suspension, and a 4-point leveling system for maximum stability. This is what luxury looks like when engineering meets obsession. 3. Furrion Elysium, the helicopter RV. Now things get truly outrageous. The Furrion Elysium is a 45-foot concept motorhome equipped with a retractable rooftop helipad. And yes, it carries a Robinson R-22 helicopter stored beneath the deck. Beyond the helicopter, you'll find a hot tub, 4K TVs, Bluetooth speakers, a modern kitchen, and high-end entertainment systems throughout. This is where a futuristic vision meets luxury, where the road and the sky are both optional. The Furrion Elysium doesn't just redefine luxury, it breaks every rule. 2. Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior, a penthouse on wheels. The Element Palazzo Superior is built to order and built to dominate. This 45-foot 2-story motorhome offers over 730 square feet of living space, multiple climate zones, and a jet-inspired cockpit with auto-tinting glass. Its showstopper signature feature is the rooftop lounge, complete with heated floors, leather seating, pop-up sunshield, Steinway and Lingdorf sound system, and LED lighting for nighttime parties. This is a rolling penthouse with better views than most skyscrapers. 1. Mariah Carey's Skyscraper on Wheels, Celebrity Excess Perfected. At number 1, nothing comes close. Mariah Carey's legendary $1.8 million motorhome spans 3 levels and delivers 1,200 square feet of living space. Built by Anderson Mobile Estates, this mobile palace features a full kitchen, makeup lounge, entertainment floor, and an upstairs nightclub with professional sound, lighting, and seating for 30 people. Custom furniture, luxury fabrics, sub-zero refrigeration, hidden TVs, even behind mirrors. This motorhome is unapologetically extravagant. It's not just the most luxurious RV on this list. It's a rolling monument of what happens when celebrity budgets meet creative freedom. These motorhomes prove one thing: when money is no object, the road becomes your private kingdom. From supercar garages to rooftop lounges and helipads, this is luxury without limits. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our luxury vehicles vault.